Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of an SQL which is LeetCode 584, find customer referee. In this question you have to return the name which contain the referee ID is null or a 1. Okay, you just have to return that. If it is 2 you don't have to return it. So this is a simple question. First you have to select name from from table name which is customer where you have to write the condition referee where referee ID is not equals to 2 or referee referee ID is equals to where referee ID is null. For null you just have to write the is. Okay, you don't have to write the equals to operator. Null. Let's run it whether it is running properly or not. This is referee ID. Okay, spelling there isn't spelling mistake. Referee ID. Yeah, this is running properly. Let's submit it. Thank you for watching.